Hello, we're Vince and Angela with Fitting and Adventure. Today we're going to go over some of the new products that WaySafe has sent us to try out. First thing is the wheel leveling set. If you pull up to a campsite and it's not quite level side to side and you need to use your leveling jacks or blocks to get that level, you don't want to have your tires suspended and hanging. So this, you're going to roll your tire right up on it. Just roll it right up on here. Then once you got it set and you got it level, you're going to put this right underneath. It's going to cradle your tire. We're very happy with this. It feels a lot more sturdy than other brands we've used. And with the honeycomb pattern, it also reduces the weight. So you have a very strong, sturdy thing. Each set has a weight capacity of 29,700 pounds. These alone can also be used as wheel chocks. And again, nice, lightweight, and sturdy. They come in a pack of 2 and the nice carrying case right here. These carrying cases are great for keeping your garage or your storage area nice, clean, neat, and well done. You can take this out, instead of having a bunch to carry, take it, set it right where you need it. The Flapjacks. These are nice, sturdy. When they're compact and folded down like this, they're about 2 1/4 inches. They're gonna slip right into your carrying case. But when you put them together, you're gonna get 8 1/4 inches of height. These are held together with magnets.
Magnets! Oh!
There's a magnet there, magnet right there. This just goes up, as you can see, goes together real easy, held together with that. The other leveling blocks that we had were like this, but with this being a thicker plastic, these have been known to break. As they set out in the sun, they're gonna get just more brittle. So we feel that these are a lot more sturdy and a lot stronger than the old type that we used. They come in sets of 4 or 2, depending on how many you want and how many you need. Another thing we love about the Flapjacks from WaySafe is how compact they are. The same amount of storage space, but you get roughly 4 times the amount of height than you would get with one pack of this. In other words, it would take 4 of those to equal 1 of these. We also put 2 of these under our trailer valet lateral movement system at the back. And the reason we do that is you want these for your side-to-side lateral movement. If your legs are straight up and down because of the height, you're not going to get that stability. So this is going to take out some of that extra height, keep your legs out at that angle, and just minimize and reduce any of that lateral movement. We've been using our WaySafe products for a couple of months now, and I gotta say, they are great. They are better than advertised. They are very strong, very sturdy, they set up in seconds, and when they're in their carrying cases, it keeps our garage nice and neat, and I'm a bit of a neat freak. If you click the link below, you're gonna find the best price that you can. Other than that, see you out on the road.